Molweni Bafundi, let's have a look at video 11a, and here we are going to look at the months of the year again. Only this time there are two forms of expression which we're going to look at, the seasons and the public holidays. And then first of all, the months of the year. The first section we can go through quite quickly because we've done this before, but as we said above, the months of the year are referred to in two ways. First of all, using the more common borrowed term. And I'll just scroll up so that we can have a look. So once more quickly, ngo January, ngo February, ngo March, ngo April, ngo May, ngo June, ngo July, ngo August, ngo September, ngo October, ngo November, and ngo December. But traditionally and less commonly used today, the months were named according to what was taking place in nature at that particular time of the year. So therefore, January was known as, or in January would have been expressed as Kweyom Qungu. Kweyom Qungu, which is the month of the tall grass, the ripening of the tambuki, or very thorny grass. In February would have been known as Kweyom Dumba. Dumba, to swell. So the month of the swelling grain, and when the pod-bearing trees bear their pods. In March, Kweyo Kwindla. Kweyo Kwindla, the month of the first fruits, or the harvest month. In April, Kucha Zimbunzi. Kucha Zimbunzi, the month of the withering pumpkins as a result of the frostbite. In May, Kweka Tanzibe. Kweka Tanzibe, the month of the canopus star, seen rising before daybreak. In June, Kweye Si Limela. Kweye Si Limela, to plough for yourself. So the month of the Pleiades, the ploughing stars, signaling the beginning of the year of the Amaxhosa. In July, Kweye Khala. Amakhala, or the aloes. So the month when the red aloes burst into flower. In August, Kweye Tupa. Kweye Tupa, the month when the trees begin to bud. In September, Kweyom Sinsi. Kweyom Sinsi, the month when the lucky bean tree blossoms. In October, Kweye Dwacha. Kweye Dwacha, the month when the small ragwort or tansy plant blossoms. Kweye Dwacha. November, Kweye Nkanga. Kweye Nkanga, the month when the large ragwort, which is a very poisonous plant to animals, blossoms. And then in December, Kweyomga. Umga is the common thorn or mimosa tree, so the month when this particular tree is in full blossom. So if you really want to impress a Xhosa speaker, mother tongue speaker, you will learn to use these traditional terms for the various names of the month. The seasons. Ekwindla in autumn. Ebusika in winter. Entwasa hlobo in spring. And ehlotyeni in summer. Then, as we know, in South Africa we have a number of public holidays, and here we list hopefully all of them. New Year's Day, usuku lonyaka omtsha. Usuku lonyaka omcha, nyaka, year, cha, new. iKrismesi, self-explanatory. iPasika, iPasika, the Passover or Easter. Easter Monday, umvulo wePasika, umvulo wePasika. Good Friday, uLwesihlanu wePasika, uLwesihlanu wePasika. Good Friday. I think this should have been uLwesihlanu lwePasika, but anyway. Good Women's Day, usuku lwamakhosikazi, usuku lwamakhosikazi. Amakhosikazi are women or ladies. Freedom Day, usuku lwenkululeko, usuku lwenkululeko. Freedom Day. Inkululeko is freedom. Family, usapho. So Family Day, usuku lo sapho, usuku lo sapho. Youth is ulutsha. So your youth day is usuku lolutsha, lolutsha. Human Rights Day. Rights are amalungelo, and abantu of the humans, of people. So usuku lwamalungelo abantu, Human Rights Day. Heritage Day, the word for heritage or inheritance is ilifa, so hence we have usuku lwelifa. The last three, Workers' Day. So workers are abasebenzi, so Workers' Day would be usuku lwabasebenzi, usuku lwabasebenzi. Valentine's Day. Thanda is to love, thandana is to love one another. So usuku lwabathandanayo, lwabathandanayo, the day of those who love one another, is Valentine's Day. Usuku lo xolelwaniso, usuku lo xolelwaniso. Xolelana is to forgive one another. So this is the day of reconciliation, the day of forgiving each other. Usuku lo xolelwaniso. Good. That concludes then this short video. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.